Assalamu alaikum students. I am here your Islamiyat teacher Miss Nida Majeed, and today our topic is the books of Allah. Dear students, Allah sent prophets at different times. The prophets taught how to live on this earth. Allah gave these prophets books. These books were holy. A true Muslim believes in all the books of Allah. Dear students, Allah gave Injil, the Bible, to Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Allah gave Torah, the Torah, to Prophet Musa alayhi salam. Allah gave Quran to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah gave Zabur, songs in praise of Allah, to Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam. Dear students, before the arrival of the Quran, most of these books were lost. Some books were forgotten. Some people hide parts of their messages. Some made change in it. But the Quran is complete. All the words of the Quran are the words of Allah. No change has ever been made in it. No part of it is missing. No part of it is forgotten. No addition has ever been made to it. The Quran is the greatest sacred book. It is a standard to see the true from the false. It separates the untruth from the truth. It gives a complete set of rules for daily life. Dear students, now I am going to explain your third and fourth week homework. Dear students, your third week homework is solve given worksheet, and your fourth week homework is that write the answer of given questions in your copy.